Hello everyone. I'm sure you guys are doing well. We're all talking about healthy, nutritious, balanced diet because we have now come to understand that it is a balanced diet which is key to good health. Any kind of diet trends or any fad diets are actually deficient. They are deficient in calories, they're deficient in nutrients, they are also deficient in some or the other food group because they always highlight one food group and limit the other. So as against these diet trends, a balanced diet is sustainable. It is something that holds the key to good health and good immune function. Today I'm going to be talking about something which is very small but extremely mighty. I'm going to be talking about seeds. Now, why are seeds so important for us? Simply because a seed has the potential to, for an entire tree to grow out of it. It is full of nutrients. It's a powerhouse of energy, antioxidants, and it's very nourishing. I'm going to be talking about 3 seeds today. To start with, I'm going to show you halim seeds. These are soaked halim seeds. These are also called garden cress. I had soaked them in the morning, and this is with their gelatinous kind of coating. They tend to form this kind of lump. So what is halim seeds? Halim seeds are also known as ardiv, or they're also called garden cress seeds. They are tiny seeds which are brown in color, and the dried version of the seeds look like these. They're extremely tiny, brown in color, and they are full of iron, calcium, protein, and folate. So for all people who have low energies, they feel that iron level come here. For all girls and women during their menstrual cycle, this really makes up for the loss of iron in the body. So they are extremely useful, and alongside with that, they are also something that oxygenizes the blood. So it oxygenizes the blood, and when this blood goes to the brain, it uplifts the mood. Now we are all going through the lockdown, and we have realized how the lockdown is also mentally affecting us. So halim seeds would also assist in mental calm, peace, oxygenation of blood, and good supply of oxygenated blood to the brain. So these are also useful for cough, cold, any kind of cough and cold kind of infections, and therefore they also are useful for boosting immunity. They are high in vitamin A and vitamin C, along with the minerals that I have spoken about. So how do we use these seeds? You can soak these seeds overnight and use them with any food which is good in fat. So, a cup of milk, you could use about a spoonful of this seed in a cup of milk. Milk we know as dairy has good fat in it. Alongside milk, you could also use it with coconut. So you can make ardiv laddus, coconut jaggery, and garden cress seeds laddus. You can also have it with nariyal pani, coconut water. So these are the halim seeds that I spoke about. The next seeds that I'm going to be showing you are pumpkin seeds, a little bigger than the ardiv, green in color. These are unroasted, unsalted, raw pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are excellent source of zinc, magnesium, copper, and we know that zinc is required for so many metabolic activities. Zinc is an essential mineral which also helps in conversion of food into energy. So just eating food doesn't mean that khana kha liya, body mein lag gaya. For the process of assimilation and absorption, and for the release of energy, zinc is very crucial, very important. Similarly, zinc is essential for immunity boosting, something that we are all talking about during the lockdown. Alongside with it, we have pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium. Now magnesium, as we all know, is something which is required for good nerve and muscle functioning. So people who suffer from frequent migraines, calf pains, joint pains, should will definitely benefit from the pumpkin seeds. For people who don't who feel that they are not able to sleep well, during these days, due to stress, due to erratic routine, due to just being at home whole day and not really being very active, pumpkin seeds are also loaded with magnesium, as I said, and magnesium is a precursor of tryptophan. Now, tryptophan is something which helps in the formation of the sleep hormone, which is melatonin. So, having a dose of pumpkin seeds, about a handful of pumpkin seeds, would also help improve the quality of sleep. I have spoken enough in terms of how sleep is very, very essential when it comes to immunity boosting. So how can you use these pumpkin seeds? You can always snack on these pumpkin seeds, about a palmful at a time. As I said right in the beginning, these are small but extremely mighty. The beauty of these seeds is that the seeds are not really required in huge amounts. You could use them in very small quantity to derive all the benefits, provided you do that on a consistent basis. So these were the pumpkin seeds. Now moving on, we are talking about something which is very, very good, especially during the summers. These are the sabja seeds, the sweet basil seeds, as we also call them takmaria seeds. तकमारिया सीड्स आर यूजुअली सोक्ड, जब हम अगर आप लोगों ने कभी पुरानी दिल्ली की फालूदा कुल्फ़ी खाई है, सो यू वुड हैव ऑल सीन दोस टाइनी लिटिल swollen seeds on the faluda. That is nothing but the sabja seeds. These are high in fiber. They have a gelatinous kind of coating, so every time you soak them, they swell up. And they're high in fiber, and that's one of the reasons how they're also important for colon cleansing. They treat constipation. They cool the body. For all the people in the northern belt that we see that temperatures are really rising very fast. For people with skin issues due to the body heat, if you feel that you're developing skin related issues, then sabja is something that cools the body. Okay, so it is very good for heartburn. It prevents acidity, it cures acidity, and the way that you can easily use them is consume about 1 teaspoon of sabja in a bottle of water. So this is about a smaller bottle, so I've used half a teaspoon of sabja. They swell up and they double up, and you can sip on this water throughout the day, and that will take care of the body heat issues. So please, during the lockdown, use natural stuff to take care of your immunity, to take care of constipation related issues, to take care of muscle twitching, muscular pains, joint pains, and also sleep, because all these together will help you feel very, very healthy and also uplift your state of well-being. Thank you.